Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
Hello,
Okay, now please introduce yourself.
teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Elsa. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Indian City. My favorite color is purple. My favorite
Purple. Purple.
My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite vegetable is carrot. I want to be a doctor.
Okay, how many are in your family?
There are 6.
Who are they?
There are grandma, father, mother, brother, baby, and me.
Very good. Now let's start now.
Safari, yum, bath, water, meat, come, look, down, raining, love, boat, Facebook, people,
Very good. Next.
reading, math, cake, black room, study,
Student. Okay.
Darling, Brownie, Driver, Car,
Cause.
Car, Guardian,
Very good.
Colony, PT, Eating,
Okay.
Post Office,
Post office.
Post Office,
Very good. Now this one, let's talk about the story. First, where is the lion?
the lion is under the chair.
Very good. Give me 3 things that you can see.
I can see a picture. I can see a land. I can see a bed.
Very good. Good job, guys. Good job. Elsa, first. This one. What is the name of the hero?
The name of the hero is Superstar.
Very good. Now give me one power of the superhero. Give me one power. And
He can fly
very,
very high.
very good. Next, what is he wearing?
He
He's
is
wearing.
wearing
He's wearing
a cape.
pink. Very good. Now this one. Where are the children?
They are at the park.
Park. Okay, park. I'll consider that one park. Next. What did Emma do?
Eating.
Very good. Yes or no? Is it Linda jumping?
No.
No. Very good. Now this one. Who played basketball? Sister playing. Very good. Now this one. What is the mother called